Hello, sweet dear friends. Today we will study about the respiratory system. Now we will start respirations. It can be defined as an act of breathing resulting in exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between body tissues and atmospheres. Now we will study about the human respiratory systems. The human respiratory system is consists of nose, nasal cavity, pharynx, then larynx, trachea, right lungs, right main bronchus. Then we study about the left lungs, then bronchi, then pleura, alveolar. We will start about the human nose. We will start about the human nose. Human nose is the external visible part of respiratory systems. It is composed from bones, cartilage, and fatty tissues. Now we will study about the human nose functions. Hairs are present inside the nostrils, which helps in the filtrations of airs. Hence, nose hairs serve as a defense mechanism against the harmful agents. Both the nostrils and nasal cavity are lined by mucous membrane along with cilia. Then we will study about the pharynx. Shortcut, we will study about the pharynx. It is cone shaped, which is 4.5 inches long, lined by mucous membrane. The pharynx functions. The pharynx is a part of both digestive and respiratory systems. Then we will study about the larynx. Larynx is located between the pharynx and trachea. Respirations functions. Larynx is sound producing organ that serves as a dual functions as an air canal to the lungs and controller of its axis. Then we will study about the trachea. Below the larynx lies the trachea, a tube of 10 to 12 centimeter and 2 centimeter wide. Functions. The trachea serve as passages of air, moistens and warms it while it passes into the lungs and protects the respiratory surface from an accumulations of foreign particles. Then we will study the both lungs and right lungs and left lungs. So human have two lungs, right and left, which are located in the thoracic cavity. Each lung is covered by a thin membrane, say called Flora. Each lung is covered by a thin membrane, say called Flora. These protect the lungs stop thin leaking air into the thoracic cavity and reduce frictions between the lungs and the wall of thoracic. So functions of lungs involve in exchange of gases, carbon dioxide and oxygen. Deoxygenated blood become oxygenated and alveoli of lungs. So that's the respiratory system. I hope you are learned to my video. So please likes and comments, share my video and subscribes HK Medical.